The GTM 12 Professional Combination Saw is a truly multi-talented tool. It's a table saw and miter saw in one. It offers you the ideal solution for 100% precise working. The integrated laser shows exactly where the saw will cut on the workpiece. The powerful 1800-watt motor enables you to saw through even thick beams effortlessly. The GTM 12 Professional can be quickly converted into a table saw. This enables you to saw even long workpieces without problems. Experience for yourself the GTM 12 Professional, the multi-talented tool with 100% precision.